Alright guys, so it's time to reveal the vehicle I bought. Well, clearly it's not that one. We played this game at a different place last time. Now we are at a gas station. Why? Because it's a parking lot, there's a bunch of cars, random cars. So, let's roll around here. So let's see. It is somewhere in this parking lot. But where? That's the question. Where is it? Is it this? Very nice. RAV4 Limited? No. Hyundai Tucson? Clearly not. Massachusetts plates. Let's see here. Let me get out of the road. Actually, let's walk around here. Oh, that's a nice truck over there. Let's go take a look. Oh yeah, Tundra TRD. Very nice. But it's not mine. Somewhere over here though. Somewhere over here. Let's look around. By the way, it's like 5,000 degrees. Nice Suburban. Really good vehicle. Not mine though. Scion. I hear they're pretty reliable, right? Aren't they Toyotas? Oh, speaking of reliable, here's a nice Honda. Not mine though. Let's see. Honda CRV. Extremely reliable vehicle, but not mine. That is though. There you go. Finally, a Toyota. I got a 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium. That's the car. So I'm sure some of you will be happy with that. Finally went with Toyota. I'll make a whole nother video talking about why, but there's a lot of decisions, a lot of reasons why I got rid of the Challenger. I love the Challenger. I would still recommend a Challenger to people. I think this is going to fit our needs, me and my wife, a lot better in a couple different ways, but the reliability was really, really up there. Again, I'll go into details in a separate video, but this one is mine. And here's the keys, just so you know. Not messing with you, right? There we go. So, that's it. Not as exciting, I know, as a Challenger, but it's super exciting for me because I'm hoping to have this car for 15 or 20 years. I'll keep taking care of it. So that's it for now. Just, again, I want to do something kind of fun. Of course, it's, you know, a million degrees out here. I feel ridiculous walking around the gas station filming. People have no idea what I'm doing, but that's pretty much it. There is your surprise video, which is no longer a surprise. So again, I'll go over all the details as to financing and what I did and why and all that kind of stuff in a future video. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.